Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on my Samsung washing machine. So it's making this weird noise and it's an issue we noticed. It's going to be a replace or repair. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. That helps the channel a lot. Alright, little context here. So my Samsung washing machine has been great for about 11 years. So the last 6 months are not so great. And the noise gets worse, right? And it doesn't stop it from working. It only happens when it's spinning really fast, I guess trying to get the water out in particular. Yes, front loaders are great in saving water. Supposedly more clean than top loaders. You can read all the reviews on that. I had some towels in here, but I pre-filmed the issue so you could get an idea what we're going to see in the issue. So I'm going to show that right now. Okay, so I removed the audio portion of this over here so I could show you more on the imagery of the issue. And you can see that it's wobbling inside. Definitely a bearing issue. I confirmed that with the appliance repair folks. And it's going to be expensive. I could tell you right now. There's a lot of steps involved. Unless you're a DIY person that you could do this, and it's probably going to take 3 to 4 hours. Let's get that out right now. 3 to 4 hours. And coming out to look at the issue is about $99, and that's average because I call it for them. And changing the bearing is very much involved on so that's why it's 3 to 4 hours. And not a simple DIY unless you're very proficient and handy to do that. And the noise just gets louder and louder. It's making the clicking noise now. Before it's just making the big freight train noise. So chances are the spider arm is also going to be need replacement. That's what I was told from one of the appliance companies. And just doing the bearing alone is about $600. Yes, that's $600. And doing the spider arm is another $200. And if you needed a new tub, I guess that's gonna be another $500. And cutting a losses short. I feel, I would say two of the appliance repair companies decided, and you're honest, I guess maybe you're better off just to get rid of it and get a new washing machine. And I don't want to single out Samsung for this because, front loaders do have this problem no matter which brand you buy. And over time, they're going to have problems. So that's what you need to look for if you decide to purchase a front loader. So the cost to repair, outweighs the cost. It's just buy a new one. You're gonna have problem-free years ahead, so you don't have to worry about these issues. If you do repair, there might be other issues that come around, and that's something that would be good to know if you're trying to make the same decision that I was trying to make. But overall, I mean, no matter, this Samsung has been great for me. I don't have any major issues before, but nothing lasts forever, especially things that move around a lot, right? And we always keep it in good shape. We clean everything, including over here. There's no big water clog or anything like that leaking everywhere. Hopefully this video helps you out. Comment to share, please leave it below. Please remember to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.